Emma coming back to you from the bedroom again because, you know, natural lighting. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some products for you, so won't you come along? The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent, and the Real Techniques Sponge. Real Techniques. Always get that wrong. So I'm going to be testing out these 3 products with my everyday face routine. So I'm going to start my routine off with all of my normal products and just try to work these in. And let's review them. So I start with my Aveeno. Gotta moisturize, you know, because it's winter. Oh, I'm just gonna let that set in and we'll be right back. How do I open this? Ow! Oh. Oh wait, did I just do it? Oh, I did it! Okay, I'm gonna go wet it. Look how big it got, look how big it got. So squishy, so squishy. Your name is Squishy and you shall be my friend and you shall be my Squishy. Comment down below if you know what movie that's from. Anyway, this is actually very soft. I heard a lot of reviews that said it wasn't like as bouncy as the Beauty Blender, but I feel like it's a pretty good dupe. And I heard a lot of people really like this angle flat top right here, and not just like a full egg. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can get up all in there, is what they're saying. And just if you know what that's from, comment down below. Grading primer is usually what I like to use, and I use the Hangover RX primer from Too Faced and just work it into my skin. This NYX BB cream in the shade, if you let me know, oh, golden. Didn't realize I was golden. It's a good description. I'm golden. What's your name? So weird. Oh, why am I using a brush? I'm reviewing the sponge. That was close, too. Okay. I have a mirror over here, so let me just... This is blending out really well. I like this. And it feels really nice on the skin. Ooh. I know a lot of people are like worried about it soaking up your product, but I mean, it's obviously gonna get a little in there, as you see, but it's not soaking it up. A lot of it is getting on my face. I don't know if you can tell on camera. I like this. I'm gonna rate it a really solid like 12 out of 10. I like it, and it makes I don't know if you can tell, but like, look at my face. Look at my face. My face be looking snatched with this sponge. I've yet to really find a concealer that doesn't crease under my eyes and doesn't make me look cakey. I don't know. I've tried all the like really expensive ones, the Naked, the Too Faced, like you name it, they all crease. So let's try a little drugstore one. Oh, and I got that sponge for like $4.88 to be exact, and this was probably $5 something. So like, come on, come through with your good prices. I'm gonna do little dots. I don't know. I don't do concealer because I don't really own concealer because it creases. So let's try to be beauty guru today. Let's do that. Let's see how well this works for me. I'm not gonna touch the forehead. Oh, I did it crooked on my nose. This will be the true test. Wow. You see how well that brightened? Look up under my eyes. Like, I have, not baggy eyes, but like I have not like really dark. Like they could be totally worse. But I have dark circles. And look at that. Look, it just brightened. Just look like angels. Okay. I'm gonna try this loose powder now. I've never baked, so this will be interesting. It'll be new to baking and new to this powder. Ooh, it comes with a little puff. I didn't know that. Oh, it honestly tastes like it smells like Smarties, like the little candies that come in the you know what I'm talking about? Smarties. It smells like candy to me. But anyway, go and dip the sponge. Okay. I feel like people put it everywhere, so that's what I did. People say they let it set for like 5 minutes, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Let's set a timer, shall we? 5 minutes, counting down. So let's keep doing my makeup, and I'm going to move on to my brows next. And I use the Sephora eyebrow pencil in dark charcoal. I don't know why they can't just say black, but dark charcoal is my shade, apparently. I'm gonna contour with my NYX bronzer. Cut the cheekbones. Cut the cheekbones. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Also, I'm gonna use the same bronzer and put it in my crease, just for a little, you know, definition. Just like subtle. So Airspun doing this, so I was like, oh, that's really smart, using your bronzer as like a little crease shade. And then she said she puts like a lighter shade on the lid, so I was like, timer done. It's this shade right here. Let's put it on my lid. These are brushes I don't use, so this is what I'm going to bring over here. This powder brush, I'm thinking, from like the 7th grade. So, just using it to wipe it away. Because we baked. And now our cookies are done. I've never looked so bright and awake. Oh, girl. I'm going to use Tempting in this palette. It's just a black color. And put it underneath my lash line. And I'm going to go in with highlighter, the Anastasia Glow Kit. And I'm going to glow. Yes. Ooh. Glow, girl, glow. TBH, when I did bake, and now I look a little dead, so I don't ever go in with blush, but I think if I'm going to start baking, I have to go in with blush, because I look too dead right now. Rockateur by Benefit, because it's the only blush I own, because I took it from my mom. Sorry, Mom. And just add a little color, just a little color. Because we be looking dead. And I ain't got time to look dead. I'm alive, girl, I'm alive. Smoochies CoverGirl Lip Slick in the shade 220. It's a chapstick, tinted chapstick, love it. Cause this thing give you a lot of color. You see that? But it's a chapstick. Thumbnail. Completely last thoughts on all 3 of these products. For the prices that they are, they're amazing. Love this sponge. Blended everything out. You can't really tell that there's a lot of product on there, and I did my whole face. This, love it. Looks amazing under the eyes. Same with this concealer. Amazing. They work perfect together. Both $5. And the only thing I do have to say about this is, you know, if you don't like scents. If you do like scents, you don't mind scents, then stop with the Laura Mercier if you can't afford it. Like, that's like, how much is it? $40 for a powder? $5, girl. Walmart. Let's go. Balling on a budget. Anyway, please like, comment, or subscribe. We would love to have you part of this family. Comment down below if you have any other video suggestions or video ideas or video requests that you want me to do. If you want me to review anything, if you like these types of videos. So, let a girl know. Let a girl know. So, catch you on the flip side. Later. Okay, bye.